Hi everyone, this is Brad. Had a great question asked me today on YouTube dealing with checkboxes in Google Sheets. Let's say that there are a total of, in this case, 14 items that need to be accomplished. What you can do is go ahead and select right in here and have all 14 set up. What you need to do is you need to go into Data and Data Validation. And what you'll need to do is you'll need to come over here for Criteria. You'll need to select Checkbox. And now you want to use custom cell values. So in this case, I'm going to do 1 if it's true or checked and 0 if it's not. And now we're going to select Save. Here are the checkboxes. What I'm going to do is, let's just say task 1, 7, and 12 were accomplished. What I'll do now is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to insert a function, which is going to be sum. And I'll just grab these right in here. Hit enter. And you can see there are a grand total of 3 of them done. So there you go. That's how you can customize some checkbox values. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.